Morning, guys. I hope this video finds you well. Today I'm going to try to do a quick video of a very detailed birdhouse that you're going to 3D print. We're going to design it really small, and then you're going to, after we 3D print it, you're going to take those measurements and we're going to scale it up and make a real birdhouse. So we're going to use Autodesk Inventor Pro. Remember, we're not using the old version, we're using the new version. Okay, and once you double click on that and open it up, here's an example of the finished product. And again, I'm going to make this real detailed. So start a new drawing. You go up to File, and you're going to start with New. Click the drop arrow, and we're always going to do a part. You'll get a blank screen. When you start your drawing, do a two-dimensional sketch and choose the plane. I'm going to start by making a rectangle or the base of the birdhouse. And then I'm going to add my dimensions. And for this birdhouse, I'm going to make it small. We'll make it 1 inch. And I'll zoom out and we'll make it by 1.5. Okay. There you go. You may have to use your navigation tools on the right-hand side to recenter the drawing or orbit or, move yourself around so you can see the drawing better. Once you get your rectangle, finish your sketch. You will extrude this. And I'm going to extrude it to 1 inch. Okay. Now I will use my shell tool, and I'm going to shell the inside. I believe 0.1 is a good thickness, and that'll give us an open cavity where the birds can live. Now I will draw on this side. I'm going to use my two-dimensional sketch, click on this side, and I will use my line tool to give it a nice angle. And I want to make it close to 45. So if I hover over the center point and then come up, you see how it gives me a nice little reference to where I'm going. And I will just make it close. But if you really wanted to get specific, you can type the measurements in there. So as long as it's close, this should work for this project. Remember, when you have the green snap button, the little circle, that means you're snapping onto the part of the project that you would like, and you're good. If you have all green, that'll close that part of the drawing, and you should be good. Now you can finish your sketch for this, and we're going to extrude that triangle. And obviously we don't want to extrude that way, so we're going to change the direction, and we're going to make it much smaller so that becomes part of the lumber. And it's actually not 0.01, it's actually 0.1. That looks a little better. Now I will go to the other side using my orbit tool, and I will do a two-dimensional sketch on this side. And I'm going to do the exact same thing that I just did. So you got your green, 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 green. Finish your sketch, and now you're going to extrude that triangle. And same thing, but I have to change the direction and click OK. Bam. Now I have an open cavity. Pretend this is the front. We have the side, the opposite side, and the back. Now I need